Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're going in Code.org in Course C, Lesson 12, Looking Ahead with Minecraft.
So, Steve says, walking into molten lava is a bad idea. Place cobblestone to create a bridge, then mine at least 2 of the iron blocks. So first we're going to move forward, and then place cobblestone ahead.
So you won't sink into the lava.
Yeah, because lava is dangerous. So then, we're going to move forward 2 times to reach the first of the iron blocks over here.
Then repeat 2 times for
destroy block. So we can destroy the 2 iron. Now let's run. Okay, avoid the lava and then mine the 2 iron blocks.
But we didn't have to move forward after the destroy block, so we need to move forward.
Okay. Now we're going to get. Okay. Get 1 iron and get 2 iron. Yay! Now we're going to go on to number 11. So the instruction says, lava is hiding beneath some of these blocks which you'll need to cover up before moving forward. An if command will come in handy here. Add a move forward command in the correct place to mine these blocks. So Steve has given us these blocks. Repeat 7 times, destroy blocks. If lava ahead, do place cobblestone ahead. So we're going to add the move forward here, so we don't just like stay in one place.
Just keep doing it 7 times, nothing happens.
Yeah, so we're going to run. So mine the first block, there's lava, so we replace it, and then we keep moving forward. And mining the coal, avoiding the lava, and mining the iron.
No more lava, looks like.
Ooh, the last one is lava. Okay, finally to number 12. Now Steve says, now things are getting mine free redstone, but don't fall in the lava. Use an if command to place cobblestone over any lava you uncover. Spaces with red speckles are where you will find redstones. So first we're going to do a repeat block.
Repeat 2 times.
Okay.
It will move forward, destroy block. If lava ahead, place cobblestone ahead.
Okay, so we'll repeat 2 times, it'll move forward. So go here. Then they'll check for blocks by destroying the block, trying to destroy anything ahead of Steve. Then if lava is ahead, they'll place cobblestone to avoid the lava.
Then let's see the code.
Okay, so check for block and mine the first redstone block and cover it with lava.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we need to move forward.
Okay.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Then
to go facing this direction.
Then repeat 2 times. A repeat loop again. Move forward and destroy block.
Move forward and destroy block.
And then move forward, turn right and destroy block.
Move forward, turn right.
And destroy block.
Okay, now we're right. Okay, so mine the first one, avoid the lava. Then go to these redstone. Okay, there's no lava. Then mine this redstone and replace it. Yay. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.